I've been trying something different today. I know how much y'all are into a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem picture and the toys for it. Well, have I got a treat for you? I bought some of the action figures. I got this poster from the cinema. So let's go unbox it here. Come on, need a knife? A sharp one this time. So don't try this at home, kids, unless you got your parents. All right? Arr. So I don't actually know the best way to do this. I'm just gonna rip it out like I was like as a wee kid, you know. Arr. So. Alright, so here be the weapon direct, what? Here's the mic and steel. Now bunch of it. Here's Leo. Get me flying, flaming. I spoke to some type of coming here. Stepping play! I don't know if I'm going to break it or not. Okay. What was that? There's his sword. Right. Right. Here he is. So let's see. Okay, so he can move his head. Right, swivel his feet there. I can't move. Oh, good. His head doesn't move that much. Oh, that's fine. I think it's coming off. Is it coming? Oh, there, to the back, if you like. That's right. Alright, looks like there's a slot here to put his sword. Let's see if I can just stop this on here. Oh, it's a little tricky, actually. You know, the bigger figures would work better for this. Alright, yep, there we go. Yeah, bunker dudes. I got one more here. I thought I'd get one of the villains here. This is rather strange. Yes, that's right. Rather strange here. In the classic cartoon of the 80s, this character has a distinctly male voice and a southern voice, you know. But the movie, this movie here, she definitely talks with an Australian accent, feminine Australian accent. And it even comes with a boomerang, but this is the Raging Cajun Gator. You know, just so you know, alligators are not native to Australia. So, I'm not sure if that's a packaging error or if that's what she's supposed to be, like in the old days. I don't know why they changed the gender either. It's not terribly important in the movie, but still, that's kind of weird. I guess like there's a package of extra weapons you could peel off. That's kind of annoying. It's like the model kits, you know. If you ever put together model kits, you might have to peel off from a plastic tree, which is always annoying. There you go. Oh, that one came out easier. I guess you noticed I'm wearing this Ninja Turtles shirt here from Walmart. I'll give you a lot. I'm just calling her last because I think she's last. And it's Sheila, as it goes down under. Based on how it is in the picture. Oh, bloody heck. That was a hard one. I'll get your boomerang out. Oh, there we go. Aye, so it is a boomerang. Yes, just like, so there's some kind of a twisty or something there, keeping them in place. Let's see, get you a boomerang in here, place. Well, that might be a little tricky, actually. Alright, well, you see how it's a boomerang. And what are figurines? There we go.
You fell on the floor.
It fell on the floor, okay. Oh, there's Leo, but I'm looking for the figurine. So she comes with a bunch of extra figures, a bunch of extra accessories. They're like this. Oh yes, there we go. Okay, so you peel off the figures. So here's the ones for Leonardo, or actually I guess any of his mates would work. And for alligator, crocodile, whatever she be, not quite sure. Anyway, so now we can go and ready to look. We're fighting each other. Oh, by the way, the sword fell out. Arr! I might see the articulation on this one. Pretty good actually there. It fills at the waist too. That's good. Looks like there's a slot there you could put in weapons. You could move it there. Oh yeah, the tail moves too. Oh, it's pretty good there actually. Can't move up and down. Other than that, it's pretty good. Arr! Hey matey! What are you messing with? Arr! Arr! Yeah, so you get the idea. Not too fancy. Oh! So yes, you get the idea there. Make of that what you will. Let's see how well they stand. Not too bad. You might have to stand these up yourself. Yeah. They do not come with stands, by the way. I like to know a lot of the dolls, fashion dolls, will come with those, but these do not. So you gotta pose the feet are posable. So there we go. So make sure that you're careful with that. So there you have it. Based on the new picture here. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. It's a good film, by the way. I got a review of that. If you want to say it, you can. If you go get these figures like this at Walmart, they have 2 packs. I think she comes with Michelangelo. There's a backdrop if you want. That's about it. Okay, so there you have it. Oh, gee, Leo's fallen already. Get up, Mike. Ah, there we go. Okay, good tries over evil. Cowabunga, dudes. Like, subscribe. Stay foxy. Wahoo!